Maybe we're drawn to the sensation of total freedom. Let me show you what I mean. I want to see faraway places and ancient worlds. I want to pass through fire and snow and get so close the ice cracks beneath me. I want to climb the highest places, then dive straight down. I'll find the uncharted paths, no matter where they're hiding. With the air at my back, I'll become the wind. I'll fly with my friends and feel the rush. I'll make a short stop to regain my balance. And after I've witnessed every wonder, I'll head back home. Here's what I found. I discovered that it's not where you fly that gives you the rush, but the flying itself that I was missing so much.
Control and image quality. Designed as the ultimate outdoor micro racer, the TinyHawk 2 race leverages performance, power and the FPV experience for maximum control in any situation. Perfect beginner outdoor FPV quadcopter. Featuring a power system focused on control and flight time, the TinyHawk 2 Freestyle utilizes 1103 7000 kV motors in order to achieve the optimal RPM needed to maximize flight time and efficiency. By utilizing the Avon Rush 2.5-inch propeller, grip and thrust are optimized for a variety of situations the pilot may encounter. By redesigning the frame to accept a higher quality camera, the FPV experience is enhanced, allowing new